Hello everyone, myself Ankur Patel, and today we are going to discuss about AutoCAD, which is a software to draw the object in the computer. So first and basic thing is, what is CAD? So CAD is a computer aided drawing. So computer aided drawing drafting is a process of preparing a drawing of an object on the screen of the computer. So there are various types of drawings required in different fields of engineering and science. So in the field of mechanical engineering, the drawing of machine components and layouts are prepared in the computer. And in the field of civil engineering, plans and layouts of the buildings are prepared. And in the other fields of engineering, use of computer is made for drawing and drafting only. Now let us see what are the benefits of the CAD. It improves productivity in the drafting, shorter preparation time for drawing, it reduces manpower requirements, the customer modification in drawing are easier, low wastage in drawing, it improves accuracy of drawing, better designs can be evolved by using the computer aided design. Now what are the limitations of the CAD? It requires a large amount of computer memory. The size of the software package is large. Skills and judgment are required to prepare the drawings, and it requires huge investments. So there are various types of software packages are available in the market for the computer aided designs, which are AutoCAD, Pro E, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, CATIA, Fluent, Hypermesh, Abacus. But we will use the AutoCAD because AutoCAD package is suitable for accurate and perfect drawings of engineering designs. The drawing of machine parts, isometric views and assembly drawings are possible in AutoCAD. This package is suitable for 2D and 3D drawings. So now let us see what you will see in the screen or on the screen of the AutoCAD. So on the screen of the AutoCAD there are 4 areas. So first is drawing area, second will be the command area, third will be the menu area, and fourth will be the toolboxes. And once you will open the AutoCAD software, you will have a screen like this. So this is the drawing area. We can say this area is a workspace, and the workspace is infinite. This white space is known as the command area, in which we have to type the command for the required drawing. This area is the menu area, home, insert, parameters, view, manage, or this is the menu area, and these are the toolboxes, draw, modify, all are the toolboxes. This toolbox is known as the snap toolbar or snap toolbox. So by using the AutoCAD software, today we are going to discuss about the drawing commands for the AutoCAD drawing. So the different drawing commands are line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, hatch, gradient, spline, construction line, ray, region, text. So let's start with the practice of different commands of AutoCAD. So this is the screen of the AutoCAD, and just we have discussed there are 4 areas on the screen of the AutoCAD. So the first area is the menu area. So this is the menu area. These are the toolboxes. This is the workspace or area for the drawing, and workspace is infinite. This is a command bar where you can type the command, and if we type anything on the workspace, it will be directly displayed on the command bar. This is the snap toolbox or snap tool bar, and right now on the screen you are watching a cursor, and it is known as the cross hair. and at the center of the crosshair you can see a square. So if a square is displayed on the or at the center of the crosshair, the meaning of that, right now you doesn't have selected any command. And if the square is not displayed at the center of the crosshair, that means you have selected any command. So now before starting the drawing, let us make some settings. So the first setting is we have to fix the unit of the drawing or unit for the dimensions of the drawing. So for that click over here, go in the drawing utilities, and in the drawing utilities go in the units. So from here you can select any unit. So right now we are going to select the millimeters as a unit. So the dimensions of the all the drawings will be in the millimeters. Now we have to make the changes in the object snap, so for which we have to go in the object snap settings. So you can go in the object snap settings from here. So click over here, snap settings, go into snap settings, and in the snap settings go in the polar tracking, and in the polar tracking select the absolute, and in the object snap select all these points or select all and make OK. So now let's see the first command, which is a line command. So with a line you can create a series of contiguous line segments, and each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. So to select the command for the line, you can make a right click over here, or you can type the command for the line in the command bar, and the command for the line is a line. And once you have typed the given the line command, click enter from the keyboard. So now follow the steps, specify the first point. So in the coordinate system we have to select or specify first point. Let us select 20 on the x-axis, comma 20 on the y-axis, and click enter. So right now the first end point of the line is selected. Now select the second end point. So you can select the point by just clicking on the screen or by just right clicking on the screen. So now select the second point. So we are going to select the second point over here, and now if you want to escape from the line command, so click escape from the keyboard. Now if you want to erase this line, we have to give the erase command, and for that we have to select a line. And for the selection of any object in the AutoCAD, we have two type of selection: the right to left selection and the left to right selection. So what is the difference between the left to right selection? To select the object from left to right, you need to cover the whole object. If you cover the part of the object is not going to be selected. So in the right to left selection, you have to cover the whole object to select the object, and in the left to right selection you need to cover a part of the object, and the object is going to be selected. So select the object and give the erase command, ERASE, and click enter. So this is the erase command, and erase command is the modify command. So right now we are watching the drawing command only. So now let us try to draw a rectangle by using the line command. So select the line command from here. So right now we have drawn the rectangle by using a line command, and right now each edge of the rectangle is a object itself, and you can edit each edge of the rectangle right now. Now let us move on to next command, which is a polyline command. And a 2D polyline is a connected sequence of segments created as a single planar object. So the drawing done by the polyline command is a planar object, it will create a planar object, and you can create straight line segments, arc segments, or combination of both, that means arc and line. So now select the polyline command, and the command for the polyline is p-line. So enter p-line in the command bar, enter. Now specify the first point. Now let us again try to draw a rectangle by using a polyline command. So now what is the difference between the line and polyline command? So here you can clearly see the difference. A polyline will create a planar object, whereas the line doesn't create a planar object. So here each edge of the rectangle is an object, and here you can see that by using a polyline command you can create a planar object. And in the polyline command you can use, or you can create a straight line segments, arc, or the combination of both. So now how can we draw the arc by using the polyline command? So what I click the polyline command, draw a line. Now you can draw the arc by just typing ARC, click enter. So now you can draw the arc over here, click over here. Now we have to join these 2 points by using a line, then type line, L-I-N-E, line, enter, and connect these 2 points, escape from the command. So here you can see that by using the polyline command you can make a planar object. And here right now you can see that the rectangle drawn by the line command is not a planar object. Now if we want to convert this rectangle into planar object, then we have to use the command known as region command. So type the region command, REGION, click enter. Now select this rectangle, and you have to select this rectangle from by taking or by using the right to left selection. So select the rectangle, click enter, and now you can see that this rectangle is converted into the planar object. So right now you can see that both rectangles are the planar object. So if you want to convert any object into the planar object, you can select the, or you can use the region command. Now let us see one another command, which is the hatch command. And hatch command is used to show the hatching lines in the particular object. So select the hatch command from over here, or you can type the hatch command in the command bar, HATCH, click enter. So right now the hatch command is selected. So pick internal point, and before clicking before picking the internal point you can select the desired pattern from over here. So right now we have selected this pattern, NC38. Pick the internal point, and you can see the hatching lines in the object. You can see the hatching line in the object. Now next command is gradient command. So gradient command is fills an enclosed area or selected object with a gradient fill. So a gradient fill creates a smooth transition between one or two colors. So for that select gradient from over here, or you can type the command in the command bar, GRADIENT, enter. Now we have to select the color from here, so you can select the desired color from over here, and you can select the pattern from over here. So, and now follow this step, pick internal point in the object. So in this object pick internal point, and you can see this is a gradient command, or use of the gradient command. Now erase all these things by selecting it from the, by using the right selection or right to left selection, and give erase command, ERASE, and enter. Now let us move on to next command, and which is the command for drawing the circles. So you can select the command from over here. This is the symbol for the command of the circle, and you can see that the command of the circle will create a circle by using the center or radius. So click the command from over here, or type the circle command CIRCLE and click enter. Now specify the center point of the circle. So let us specify the center point. Let us say that 20, 20 is the center point of the circle, and now write the radius of the circle. You have to follow this procedure. Specify radius of the circle or diameter of the circle. So let us say that the radius of the circle is 20. Enter. So right now you can see that this is the circle having radius is equal to 20 mm. Now if you want to draw the circle passing from these two endpoints of the circle, then you can select the command of the circle CIRCLE, enter. Now here we can see that 3p, 2p, TTR. So we have to draw the circle passing from this point and this point, these 2 points of the circle. So we have to draw the circle of passing from 2 points. So enter 2p in the command bar, enter. Now follow these steps. Specify the first endpoint of the circle. So this is the first endpoint of the circle. Now specify the second endpoint of the circle. So this will be our second endpoint of the circle. So likewise you can draw the circle passing from 2 endpoints of the line. Now if you want to draw the circle passing from this and this, that means passing from these 3 points of the line. So for that select 3p, enter. Specify first point. This is the first point. Specify second point. This is the second point, and specify the third point. So this will be our third point. So you can see the circle passing from these 3 points of the circle. So you can by using the circle command you can draw the circle for the required conditions. Now if you want to draw a circle in which this line and this line is a tangent to the circle, then first of all select the command for the circle CIRCLE, press enter in the keyboard. Now type TTR in the command bar, TTR, press enter. Now here it is given specify a point on the object or first tangent of the circle. So we have to specify the first tangent, then after we have to specify the second tangent. Now we have to specify the radius of the circle. Let us say that the radius of the circle is 10 mm, enter. So now you can see that this line and this line are the tangent to this circle. Now if you want to draw the circle in which this line and this lines are the tangent, so we have to draw the circle having this line and this line as a tangent. So right now it has 3 tangents. So for that select the command of the circle from over here and follow this 10 10 10. So click 10 10 10. Now specify the first point, specify the second point, and specify the third point. So now you can see that this is the circle having 3 tangents. So you can draw the circle as per the required conditions by using the circle command. Now let us see the next command, which is arc command. So here you can draw the different arcs by for different conditions. So let us select first arc, 3-point arc. So you can draw the arc by selecting 3 points, first point, second point, and third point. Or you can draw the arc, or if you want to draw the arc passing from these 3 points 1, 2 and 3, then you can use the 3-point arc. Select first point, second point, and third point. So likewise you can draw the arc for different conditions. Now if you want to draw the arc start, center and end, so click this, let us say that this is the start point of the arc, this is the center point of the arc, and we have to draw the arc up to 90 degrees. So select degree, 90, enter. So right now you can see that this is the arc up to 90 degree. So you can draw the arc for required condition by selecting the arc command from over here. Now let us move on to next command, which is a rectangle command or command for the rectangle. So for that you can select the rectangle command from over here, or you can type a command for the rectangle, and the command for the rectangle is rectang, rectangle, and press enter. Now specify the first corner point of the rectangle and specify the other corner point of the rectangle, and you can draw the rectangle by using the rectangle command, and the command for the rectangle is rectang, rectang, rectang. Now let us move on to next command, which is the command for the polygon. And before going on to polygon command, first of all draw circles having a radius is equal to 20 mm, specify the center, radius is equal to 20 mm, enter. Draw one another circle having a radius is equal to 20 mm, select center, radius 20, enter. Now let us move on to polygon command. So select polygon from over here, or select the command for the polygon from over here, or you can type the command for the polygon in the command bar, polygon. Polygon is the command for the polygon, enter. Now follow this procedure, enter the number of sides. So if we will enter the number of sides equal to 4, the polygon will be a square. If we will enter the number of sides equal to 5, the polygon will be a pentagon. And if we will select number of sides equal to 6, the polygon will be the hexagon. So right now we will select 5, so we will draw the pentagon and click enter. Now here specify the center of the polygon. So let us specify the center of the polygon as the center of the circle. Okay, now inscribe in the circle or circumscribe in the circle. Let us select inscribe, that is type I, enter, and select the radius equal to 20. Now you can see that the polygon is inscribed inside the circle. Now again select the polygon command, number of sides is equal to 5, enter, select center. So this will be the center of the polygon. Now we will select the circumscribe about the circle. Now select the radius is equal to 20 mm, and you can see that now the polygon is circumscribed about the circle. So by using the polygon command you can draw different polygons like square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Erase this command or erase these figures by selecting erase command, erase, enter. Now let us see the next command, which is a command for drawing the ellipse. So you can select the command by clicking over here, or you can type the command for the ellipse, which is ellipse itself. So type ellipse, ellipse, enter. Now specify the axis endpoint of the ellipse. So you have to select the ellipse command from over here. So now we have to specify the center of the ellipse. So specify the center of the ellipse. Now specify the end point of the axis. Let us say that 30, enter. Now we have to specify the distance to the other axis or rotation. Let us say that it is 20, enter. So this is the ellipse with major axis equal to 60 mm and minor axis equal to 40 mm. And if you want to show the dimensions of the major axis and minor axis of the ellipse, then go into the annotation, and in which we will select the linear dimension. Click the point of the ellipse or point of the major axis of the ellipse, and you can see that the major axis is equal to 60 mm. Again select the linear dimensioning, select the point of the minor axis and you can see that the minor axis are 40 mm. So by using the ellipse command you can draw the elliptical arc. So now let us move on to next command, and before moving on to next command, erase this figure. For that we have to select this figure and we have to give the erase command. Erase, enter. Now let us move on to next command, and for the next command we have drawn this figure randomly, and the next command is the command spline or spline feed. So for that type spline, S-P-L-I-N-E in the command box, press enter. Now specify the first point. So first point, here we are taking more points. So spline command is used to draw smooth free form curves passing from the given points. So select the points and you can see that it will generate the smooth freeform curves passing from the given points. So spline command is used to draw smooth freeform curves. Erase this. Now let us move on to next command. So the next command is construction line, and the command for the construction line is X line. So construction line creates a line of infinite length. So lines that extend to infinity, such as X lines, and it can be used to create construction and reference lines and for trimming boundaries of the given object. So type X line in the command bar, X line, enter. Now if you want to draw the horizontal construction line, type HOR, enter. So now you can see that here is the horizontal construction line. Now we have to specify the through point. So this is a through point. Again select the command for the construction line. Now if you want to draw the construction line at the specific offset, then select offset OFFSET, which is given in the command bar over here, offset, tick enter. Now specify the offset distance. For example, the offset distance is 10, or let us say that 15 mm, enter. So select a line object, select the line object. So we have to select the line object. Now specify the side of the offset. So side of the object, it will be below the line or above the line. So we are specifying the side of the offset below the line. Select the object, specify the side of the object. Select the object, specify the side of the object. So likewise you can draw the construction lines. And if you want to draw the vertical construction line, select vertical, VER, enter. Now you can see that these are the vertical offset lines. Again select the command for the construction line. Now we have to draw the vertical construction line at some specific offset distance. So select offset, enter. Specify the distance of the offset. Let us say that 15 mm again. Select the line and direction. Select the line, direction. Select the line, direction. So likewise you can draw the construction lines. So this is the command to draw the construction lines. Now let us move on to next command, which is the ray command. So ray creates a line that starts at a point and continues to infinity. So line that extend to infinity in one direction, known as the rays, and can be used as reference for creating other objects. So here in this figure you can see that how the ray command is used. So in this figure you can see that how the ray command is used. So select the ray command by typing in the command bar RAY, ray, enter. So RAY is the command for the ray command, enter. Specify the start point. So now specify the start point. So specify the start point. Specify the through point from which we have to pass the ray. So through point, specify the through point. So you can draw the ray command, and it is at the infinite distance and starting from the one point. So this is the ray command. Now let us move on to next command, which is the text command. So if you want to type anything on this screen which should be displayed on the screen, then select the text command. So you can select the text command from over here, or you can select the text command by typing the command for the text in the command bar. So the command for the text is text, text. Enter. Now here we have to justify the style. So specify the start point of the text. So from this point we have to start the text. Specify the height. So here we are going to specify the height. Let us say that the height of the letters in the text command will be 30. Enter. Now specify the rotation angle of the text. So we have to specify the rotation angle. We will select the 0 degree. Enter. Now you can type anything over here. Let us say that type AutoCAD, AUTOCAD. So by using the text command you can write the text in the workspace. Now erase this by selecting the object and using the erase command, ERASE. Enter. So these are the different drawing commands for the AutoCAD 2D drawing. Hope you have understand. Thank you for watching me today. In our next lecture we will discuss the modify commands for the AutoCAD drawing. Till then, take care.